Everybody, what are we trying to look for? What are we trying to obtain here at the end of this situation? What do we want at the end here? What is it that we want? Yeah, I see the word total for sure. That's definitely something we'll want to highlight. Yeah, now we got to add a little more context to it, right? We need a little more story with that because total could mean a bunch of different things a bunch of different ways. But when we say we need how many pounds and ounces of flour in total, that makes a lot more sense. We want to know at the end the grand total of pounds and ounces. Okay, boom. Now that we know what we're trying to end up at, let's begin understanding what we have to work with. The way I like to think about it is, what do we want? The question. What do we have? The information. And what's the connection? Translating that English into math. So here we go. What we have here is a recipe calls for 2 pounds, 5 ounces of flour. Okay, let me highlight that right there. We have 2 pounds and 5 ounces for the recipe. And then what we need to do here says, if we need to make 3 batches of this recipe for a large party, how many pounds and ounces of flour will you have in total? Okay, cool. So let's understand this a little better because there's a couple of different ways we can do this, but there's a very simple way that we can go about this. Everybody, if we have 2 pounds, 5 ounces, how many batches are we trying to make? Yeah, we're trying to make 3 here. So pretty much what's going on here is we have this 3 times over. That is 3 batches. And when we add all of this up together, look at how friendly this problem actually is. So everybody, what's 2 plus 2 plus 2? What's that going to be? Yeah, that's going to be 6 pounds. Let's write that down right there. And then 5 plus 5 plus 5, what's that going to be? Yeah, that'll be 15. That'll be 15 ounces. Now, everybody, for the sake of being proper here, do we need to convert these ounces into pounds? Do we have enough ounces to convert into at least a pound? No, we don't. Pop quiz. How many ounces would we need to turn it into a pound? Yeah, we need 16. We're not there yet. We don't have 16. We have less than that. So this is actually already proper. This is already good. 6 pounds, 15 ounces is correctly stated. So we actually don't even need to convert in this problem